Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you that how can you change font size on your iPhone. So let's start up the process. Now here you can see settings icon on your home screen of phone. Tap on this icon to open up settings. After opening the settings, scroll down. Now here you can see option display and brightness. Tap on this option. Now scroll down. Here you can see option text size. Tap on this option. Now at the bottom you can adjust size of font. You can decrease or increase the size of your font. You can see. If you have any question about the whole process, let me know in the comment section below. Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos.